What is outline width property? Well, outline width property represents CSS property that we use to set width of outline. Like property value, we can use specific units, for example like pixels, m values, points, or we can use one of three predefined values: teen, medium, and tick. Okay, let's see some examples for this. Okay, for this part I have already prepared simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has head and body, and inside of body we have one div with this is some simple div text inside of it. Inside of head we have just title for this HTML document. I save this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. This is our index web page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, what I want to do now. Inside of head, let's define style block, where we're gonna define all CSS styles for this HTML document. Inside of style block, let's define div selector with declaration block. So basically with div selector, we will select our div from the body. Okay. And for our div, I want to define outline width CSS property. And like property value, I will set 10 pixels. Okay. Let's save our changes. Let's go back in our web browser and let's refresh it. Okay, so you can see that nothing has happened. Basically, we have set outline width property, but we don't see any change in our web page. So let's analyze our web page. Let's click on right click. Let's click on inspect. Now on the right hand side, you can see structure of our HTML document. So let's expand head. Let's expand body. Let's click on our div. And down here, you can see that we actually have outline width property with 10 pixels, but we cannot see it on our web page. So why is that? Well, explanation for this is very simple. If you want to apply outline width property, you need to first define outline style CSS property with any property value. I will use solid. Okay. So now when we save this change and go back in our web browser, if we refresh it, you can see that now we can see our outline width CSS property. Okay. For outline width, we can click on value here, and we can use arrows up and down to increase or to decrease this value. This is good for some fine tunings. Okay. Also, instead of pixels, we can use other units, for example, m values. We can change this value as well. We can use points. Okay. And we can use one of three predefined values. We can set teen, medium, and tick. Okay, basically this is how we can use outline width CSS property to set width for our outline, so feel free to play around with this.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.